Well, we're getting the first wave here. It's about 5 o'clock now, half an hour in. The rain started up. It's coming down pretty good. Winds are gusting, blowing the rain sideways. Camera's all fogging up. Try to keep it clear. I don't know if you can see over here, but it's really blowing and pouring right now. Our first little stint of Sandy here. Winds have gotten a little more sustained now. We still got gusts over 20 miles an hour. Rain's really coming down now, thick. Waves of rain rolling through. I don't know if you can see it on the parking lot there. Here it comes. Big gust here coming. Oh yeah, look at it. Yeah, coming sideways. First real stint of rain. Soaked out here. Just rolling through, rolling through. Lines are moving. Trees are bending. It's getting pretty bad. A few people pulling off the road here, I see. Really coming down out here. I'll give it probably another 15 minutes, half an hour, and we'll check back in.